So basically, I wanted to wear a beanie because my hair looks like shirt. For some reason, when I say like shirt instead of shit, I feel like I'm cursing less. I feel like the effect is less powerful, makes me feel like a better human, a bit more decent. But then I felt like I look like someone who's ready to rob a bank. The J-Lo wears beanies in her house. I saw it on her stories on Instagram, so if she can wear it, like, why can't I wear it? Look better on her though. If you wear something with a lot of confidence, no one is going to doubt you. So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some random stuff that I like and I enjoy. So sit down, get your cup of tea or coffee. Mine is super cold right now, but I'm just going to pretend as if it's like so cozy and warm, but it's actually super cold. I have some clothes, I have some beanies, I have a tea that I really like, some candles and some shoes, so mostly fashion. And yeah, let's start. I don't know what that was though. Let's start. So I have some clothing that I really enjoy wearing, and I just feel like my mindset is a bit different when it comes to clothing. So back in the days, not even back in the days, like what am I kidding? Like a few months ago, maybe like even 2 months ago, maybe like yesterday. Like when there was a sale going on, I was so like, you could manipulate me into everything when it comes to sale, especially when there's like time pressure, like 2 hours to go. And you think it's about the sale, but it's not even sale. It's not about the sale. So it's just about the time pressure. And I just really love being pressured. Like gets me like really geeked up. I don't know if geeked is even a word, but I don't do that anymore. Okay. So I just delete all the emails. You're trying to get my money. I just delete it. And then I just really look for stuff that I need, that I want, that I'm going to love for more than half a year, and that are, you know, of decent quality with a decent price. So that is what I've been doing. I'm buying way less, but the things I buy are more expensive than items that I, usually would buy. Some products are gifted, by the way. A lot of the stuff are from Revolve, but it's not sponsored. I just really like their clothing. This is from the brand MBD, and there's actually a belt on this. I have a picture that I will show you right now with the belt on. You better go and like that picture if I already posted it. So you can wear this with a belt and without a belt. And the reason why I really like this is because it's kind of like an in-between thing. Or you want to wear, something different than just a sweater and be a little bit more casual chic. And the quality is just really good. And this is from the brand NBD, and I got the size small. I usually have a medium, but I'm small now. I didn't lose weight, by the way. I just got it in small. I could show you some more like unique statement items, but I do feel like that is more occasional stuff. And this is just so random. And I want to tell you guys something, okay? This is a sweater that I'm really liking. L'Académie. I'm not even sure if it's French. L'Académie. Maybe not. And this one is also like is also from L'Académie. So same brand. And these are, you think you could get this at Zara, right? Or H&M. Same goes for this one. And you probably could, but I can see and feel that the quality of these are so much better than just like a random average top that you can buy at H&M, Zara, or whatever. And I know they have some great quality stuff as well. They mention it in the, I think in the description box. I just really like classic things you can wear all the time. Probably going to wear this next year as well. So some people would say, well, I can buy 3 tops instead of just one. But now I think like the other way around, like I rather buy 1 top, which is of good quality, instead of like 3. So I got 3 sweaters from Uniqlo, and this is the gray one. I have a black one and a beige one, but those are in the laundry basket. And I got size medium. These are from Uniqlo, and these are really good quality. I think they were about 30 euros, and I think that's super affordable for a sweater. And for some reason, like every time I wear them, I just feel so cozy. The material is really good. It's really soft even after you've washed it, and it just stays really like nice and good. And yeah, I actually really like them. These are really comfortable, super simple. You can wear these with anything beautiful, like classy trousers, with jeans, with black leather pants, or super casual with joggers. I just thought I'd show you something affordable too, which is, I think, of good quality. You have to hand wash everything I'm showing you though. If you're going to buy some of these stuff and you're not like reading the washing label, then it's on you, girl. Don't come at me. Then, you know, when it comes to winter, I love wearing beanies. And the reason why I love it is because it's kind of like the same thing when it comes to sunglasses in summertime. If you look like then you maybe you might feel a bit uncomfortable in public, right? Where you feel like you look like shish. So you can wear glasses and no one ever will know anything. And I have the same thing when it comes to my hair. My hair often looks like shish. So I like to wear beanies just because, first of all, we look cute, okay? Don't come at my beanie. I know you're going to come at my beanie. Okay, first of all, you look cute. You can contour with a beanie. I said that. You can contour with a beanie. Why? My face is like heart-shaped, so when I would wear it like that, you can see like a giant forehead. Or when I would wear it like this, some of you do, it's more like punkish, then you can see more of the sides of my forehead, which I personally don't like all the time. So when I'm wearing it close to my eyes, it looks like I'm having like oval shape and I don't have to contour anymore. And obviously when my hair looks like shares, then I just like wearing beanies. These are all from last year. They still look really good. I do have a Nike one. This one looks a bit older. You can't really, yeah, can you see that on camera? Still wearing it, but you know, not the best quality. But this Adidas, you guys say Adidas, we say Adidas. But anyways, Adidas and Calvin Klein. These are great quality. And I have a very affordable one from ASOS. I believe this one was like 10 euros. This is such a beautiful coat. I'm just quickly going to wear it. Let me go back a little. I don't know if you guys can see that. But usually I get really cold really fast. And once I put this jacket on, everyone around me is like, oh, I'm freezing and I'm freezing. And I'm like, I'm super hot. And not like in that sense, but more like I'm warm. This jacket is so fluffy and soft and beautiful and chic and everything. It is actually quite expensive. This is from Lovers and Friends, which is also a really, really nice brand. I think this is an investment that's definitely worth it. I mean, it keeps you warm all the time. I'd rather not buy like jackets in 2 or 3 years and just buy 1 or 2 classic jackets and then just wear them all the time because they're just, when you think long term, it's actually less expensive than you think. Where's the meme right now? Then I have this tea. I'm not sure if this is available in every country. I live in the Netherlands and I got this in Action. Action is a store. Action has the best tea ever. This is probably sold everywhere, from the brand Amarty Harmony Traditional Chai. And this is such a good, kind of like a ginger chai-ish tea. We have some cinnamon, we have cardamom, curcuma. This is a really lovely tea if you love chai and spicy tea. So when it comes to candles, I have one affordable one and a little bit more of an expensive one, or less affordable. This is Jo Malone Pomegranate Noir. Everything about this scent is just so good. I love the perfume as well. The smell is just so cozy and so wintry, and the whole living room just smells amazing, amazing. So yeah, I will link it in the description box if you're looking for a really nice scent. Also really nice to give this as a gift to someone. I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but I can't handle the material of this. Sometimes I have that. I don't know what it is. But this is from IKEA, and this is Vinterfest. I believe it's like from Sweden, right? Vinterfest. So this was around 6 euros or 7 euros, and it's very big. Obviously, it doesn't smell as strong as the Jo Malone one, but I thought it was a good scent, like very spicy, wintry. We have lavender, we have oranges, and I believe like cinnamon. And I just really like this candle, and I love the fact that it's black matte and big. So yeah, just wanted to show you another option as well from IKEA, your good old IKEA. I didn't want to show you guys all of my skincare products because I already have like a skincare video up, makeup videos, favorite product videos. So that's why I have two products. One is Soak It Up from Fourth Ray. I believe Fourth Ray is from ColourPop. And this is a hydrating hyaluronic mask. And this stuff is great if you are looking for the thickest moisturizer or mask, because you can wear this overnight as well. Then Soak It Up is really, really good. The next morning, I have like a really soft, plum, hydrated skin. And thanks to this one, it's actually really affordable. So yeah, Soak It Up. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this. This sounds a bit weird maybe, but I only sweat. I'm not talking about working out and stuff. I only sweat when I'm really cold. I think because I'm like, I don't know, like putting a lot of tension into my body. Like I'm trying to stay warm. So it's super annoying because I hate sweating when it's cold. And usually like in summertime, well, we all probably sweat, but I just don't feel like I'm sweating. So I love this deodorant. I got this one not so long ago. This is Salt of the Earth. This is vegan and this is cruelty-free everything, suitable for vegetarians and vegans, made with organic aloe vera, not tested on animals, no white marks, anything. And it's a spray, so it's not like even, it's just literally like a liquid spray. And it smells really fresh as well. And I've used it a couple of times and I actually really think it works. They also have like a roller and they also have one especially for men. So yeah, this is kind of like a new concept, but I'm here for it. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. So next thing is a self-tanning product. This is from Bondi Sands and this is a liquid gold self-tanning dry oil coconut scent. Usually with fake tans, I really love doing fake tans because I don't want to go sunbathing all the time. But a lot of fake tans have a weird tone to it. Sometimes they're like a little bit more red, pink. Sometimes they're too yellow, almost greenish. And this one is really nice golden. Put it a little bit on my arms a few days ago. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very even. You can really spread it out very evenly. Because it's a dry oil, you don't have to wait to wear your clothes. And most importantly, it fades gradually as well. I don't get like weird spots everywhere, which I personally really don't like. So yeah, Bondi Sands, love it. And then last but not least, I have two pairs of boots. Can we appreciate a boots moment? These are black leather boots from ASOS. And these are the most comfortable shoes ever. Because if you look at the heel, it's not like super high and I don't want to wear like high heels all the time. Usually when the heel is not really high, I don't like the shape of the shoe usually. But with this one, I just feel like everything is perfect. The heel, this right here. I really like, how do you say this? Pointy shoes. I don't know how you say that. It's really nice if you wear it with a sweater dress. I also really like the height of this because it just stops under my knee. And I think that's perfect for my length. I'm 168 centimeters. 168. And then the next shoes, these are from Ray the Label, RAYE. And these are, excuse me, but these are so J to the freaking low. Oh, you guys can see that? You see that? Oh, beautiful. Imagine this with a pair of jeans, a long camel coat, or a fake fur coat. Love it. I also love the fact that this is a little bit wide. And these are super comfortable as well. Ugh, I don't know why I'm talking like that, but don't be a fool by the rocks that I got. I know where I came from. I just really like the color of these shoes. I mean, they're nude. The heel is, once again, not extremely high. They're pointy and they are in my favorite colors. So I really wanted to show you guys this as well. You can wear these if you're careful. I'm not that careful, but you can wear these for years if you want. They're leather. They are, you know, classic. They basically go with everything. So you can't go wrong with these. Those were pretty much my winter essentials, stuff I've been loving. Stuff I just randomly wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to think about it too much. So let me know if you guys want me to do more of these random videos. I personally really like doing them because it doesn't take a lot of time. You know what I mean? No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you liked this video, thumbs down if you didn't, so I can really see what you guys like and don't like. Make sure to comment, let me know what your winter essentials are, share me links. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.